Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add personal information to the Alsa Buy Coach Tickets application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on my profile. After that, tap on personal data, click on holder information. In this section you can type in your name, then your date of birth can be selected, your ID number, and then click on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen to save these information and update this section. You can add your contact details as well, including the country of residence, the city, road, street name, number, postcode and phone number. Then click on the done button at the top to update this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.